Welcome to my successful how-to videos. Today we are going to discuss how to deal with the cut film in a digital tape. It can be VHS-C or 8mm, S-VHS, Hi8. It's the same concept. So first thing is you remove the screws. They are typically 4 or 5 screws, so they are very tiny. I use a jeweler screwdriver, and then I put the screws, in a receptacle so that I'm sure that I'm not going to lose them. Then you remove the cover. It's very easy. And then you look at the spool on the side where there is the less quantity of film. If you are lucky, the tape is cut at the beginning. On my side, it was cut more or less at 1/5. So I remove the good film. I may put it back on a different tape to see what is in it because I've not watched it. But if it's something that you care, so you isolate the good film, and then you cut the portion which is not good. And then it's kind of easy. The film is pinched on the pool with the inside the middle. So you just put it back, and it takes a little bit of patience. So you put the tape back here. I'm going to show you how to do it. So you put the new tape and you make sure that it's not twisted, okay? And then you are going, and that's going to take some time. So I'm not going to do that in front of the camera, but you need to put back the pinch place where it sits in the spool. Okay, are you able to see that? And then it's the reverse mechanism. When you are done, you put everything back in place in the case of the tape, and then you screw back the screws, and then you watch the desired film. Okay, if you have any questions, please ask them through the comment section. I always answer to all the questions. And I have many more videos about camcorders and tape filming, so analog tape filming. So thank you very much for watching this video.